Hi, I'm Cory Marlette.
I'm Chad Clark.
I'm Robert Arbuckle, and this is Don Rupa's ETM 140 class.
Here's our diagram for our series circuit. We have a motor that runs the pump, goes up. We had a pressure relief valve set at 400 psi. We have a pressure gauge in line. We have a flow meter, so we know how many gallons per minute we're flowing, which goes to a directional hand valve to operate the cylinder. It goes into the cylinder and out back to tank. And that's our series circuit.
Good. So what we have here is our series circuit. Practical use would be for anything that you need hoisting. First we have our tank down here, which would supply our hydraulic fluid and our relief valve. Then we go to our pressure gauge, which is connected to our flow meter at 3.5 gallons per minute, which is sent to our directional control valve, which then is sent to our cylinder. Now I'll start it up and show you how it works.
So for our series circuit, we had to do our formula sheet to find the area of the cylinder. To get the area of the cylinder, we had to take the diameter of the cylinder, which is 2.5 inches squared, and times it by 0.7854. That would give us 4.9 inches squared for the area of the cylinder. Our second calculation is to find out how much this cylinder could lift. And to do that, we had to figure out force equals pressure times area. And we know that the force, when the system is energized, is at 100 psi, and we know the area is 4.9 inches squared. That would equal 490 pounds of force.
And our third calculation was to find the speed of the actuator. And speed equals volume divided by time over area. And we know the speed equals 3.5 gallons per minute, because our flow meter told us that it was 3.5 gallons per minute, divided by 4.9 inches squared, which we found in the area of the cylinder, equals 808 cubic inches per minute, divided by 4.9 square inches, equals 165 inches in a minute that the actuator will travel. And then we divided that by 60 to give us the speed in inches per second, which is 2.7 inches per second.